All right, so check this out. Your boy right here, Jeff Bezos, plans to sell up to 50 million Amazon stock by January 31st of next year. 50 million, not 500, not 5,000, not 50,000. 50 million shares this man is about to sell and hit the stock market for Amazon. Is that going to hurt the price? I mean, when you look at the chart for Amazon, look at this. It's on a massive run. So logically thinking, is what he's doing wrong? Like, if you was in his position, would you not sell 50 million shares knowing that the value of the shares that you now hold is worth a lot more than what it was a year ago, 2 years ago? Or whenever he purchased those 50 million shares, because knowing him, he probably has been maintaining and holding these shares since the very beginning, since they were launched here in 1997. Look at that. Maybe. So yeah, of course. Keep it real. If you was in this man's shoes, you would do the same thing. Go ahead and congratulate yourself. Pat yourself on the back. You created a fantastic business organization that is creating jobs, that is making money for the U.S. economy. Take some of that off the table. Here's an article from Reuters. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos will sell up to 50 million shares in the online retail and cloud services firm over the next 1 year, according to a company filing on Friday. The securities are worth $8.6 billion at the current price of $171.80 a share. Look at what the price is now. $170.80. Now, is he expecting the market in Amazon to continue to go higher? Because if so, that 8.6 billion is going to be worth a lot more. The sale plan, which is subject to certain conditions, was adopted on November 8th last year and will be completed by January the 31st, 2025. That's according to Amazon's annual report. Amazon shares ended nearly 8% higher on Friday after e-commerce heavyweight reported higher than expected sales for the holiday quarter, and its lucrative cloud business signaled early gains from AI-powered features. Boom. He is currently, talking about Jeff, is currently the third richest person on the planet with a net worth of $185 billion. Now that's according to Bloomberg's Billionaires Index. So now let's get back to the situation on the chart though. Will him selling $8.6 billion worth of Amazon shares impact the stock's price? Or will it just be like a blip on the radar where you don't even notice that he sold his position? Because if he was to come through and sell 50 million shares like in one day, understand that will have a massive impact on Amazon's price. Like, you will see a massive move down. So they're going to do this in stages. Okay. And during these stages, it might happen when earnings is coming up throughout the year of 2024. He might do a certain allocation per month, per week. Understand he has his financial advisors working to make sure that those 50 million shares are disposed of. So we should be able to see, they like to work under the radar. They don't like to show their hand as they're conducting their campaign of either buying or selling their position out into the market. So we may not even see off of the price chart whether or not he has sold more of his shares, especially if more of the market participants are still bullish in this stock. Now, from my perspective, you all can currently see that my price prediction did not work out. Nope. Price in Amazon is still massively bullish and strong. My expectation was that Amazon was not that strong, and it proved me incorrect. Yeah, so I didn't get this right. Look at how bullish this particular stock is. Like, it's even breaking away from the overall trend into the market in Amazon. This is part of that Magnificent Seven stock that CNBC, Fox Business, all of these pundits on media is talking about. It's going to be a bellwether within the AI space as well. Cloud services healthcare, video. Like Amazon is dabbing into every facet of American life, of human beings' lives. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here, and then we're going to update you all as to what we think is going to happen now. So let me go ahead. This did not work out, 6.18%. Or if we were to get out now, we're down around like 18.75%. Okay, let's get rid of this sell zone because the market in Amazon definitely is bullish. Now, we already got these buy zones here. Those are still applicable. They're still valid. We need to go ahead and create more buy zones into the market in Amazon, just only under the pretext price comes down. Okay. Now, look at how bullish the stock is though. This is the weekly time frame. This is how the price action in Amazon ended last week. You see that indicator right there, don't you? Look at how bullish the stock is. It even closed at the high of the bar. So what we have to do is turn to the left of the chart and try to figure out where could the market be headed. Well, it could be headed here, and it could be headed here. To me, I think it's going to try to test all-time highs. So let's go ahead and make these sell zones, all right? Because one thing that I want you all to understand is that once the market shows you direction, don't have a bias in terms of what you think price should do. The market ultimately is a great decider as to where it wants to go. So like if you're wrong in your original assessment as to where you think price should go, you need to have the ability to say, all right, cool, I'm gonna follow the market direction. So right now, even though on my last price prediction it was incorrect, all right, cool, I get it. Hey, if they want to take the market up, I am not going to be the one to try to buck the system and act like it should not go up. So we went ahead and created these two sell zones here now. Okay, that's on the weekly time frame. We'll straighten it up on the daily, because we definitely need to watch those two zones. Look at how weak that is. But here it is on the 5-weekly chart in the market in Amazon. I wouldn't even be surprised if the market in Amazon long term makes all-time highs. That's how strong that weekly bar, that 5-weekly bar looks. Here it is on the monthly. Okay. Already starting out on a pretty good month. 3 weeks. We have 4 more days before this 3-weekly price bar ends in Amazon. Looks pretty decent there. So let me put this back on the daily. Straighten up these sell zones, and then we'll go ahead and drop a prediction. Bring it down here. And then here's the second sell zone. So these are going to be our targets here. I really don't think this first sell zone is going to be a problem in the market for Amazon, but just in case, we'll put it there. So here's our first target, either at the high or the low of this sell zone. Even in between. At the high is 3.16%. Second target is going to be either at the low or the high of the second sell zone. Okay, that is 9.82% at the high. And our support area is all the way down there around 155. Very wide area. Spread that over a little bit. So that's it. I'm done. What do you guys think? Is this going to impact price, seeing Jeff sell 50 million shares throughout 2024? You might not even notice it. We'll see though. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.